Good morning students. In last video we have discussed about the topic conversion of a solid from one shape to another, and also we solved some examples. Okay, so today we will solve exercise 13.3. Let's see question number 1. A metallic sphere of a radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of a radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. That means here one metallic sphere is there, and the radius of this sphere is 4.2 centimeter, and it is recast in which shape? Now in the shape of a cylinder of a radius 6 centimeter. That means here you see, here it is a sphere of a radius 4.2 centimeter. Of a radius 4.2 centimeter. Then it melted and then it recast in a cylinder shape of a radius. It is given, that is, radius is given, cylinder of a radius 6 centimeter. Okay, then here question said you find the height of this cylinder. This height of this cylinder you have to find what is the height of this cylinder. So from this question we got what? Now the volume of, because here the sphere melted, that means the volume of a sphere is equal to the volume of the new cylinder shape. Means it melted and recast in the shape of a cylinder. So according to our question, the volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the cylinder. Okay, then you can find the height of this cylinder. So according to our question, first here you write what? Question number 1. The radius of a metallic sphere. Radius of a metallic sphere is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, so the what? Now the volume of this sphere is equal to volume of a sphere is equal to what? Now 4 upon 3. I think all of you know what is the formula to find the volume of the sphere. That is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so that is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r is equal to 4.2 cube. Okay, so let's see this much. Then again question said what? Now this sphere melted and recast in the shape of a cylinder. So here you write the sphere melted and recast in the shape of cylinder. In the shape of a cylinder of a radius 6 centimeter. That means the new cylinder is having the radius is 6 centimeter. Okay, so according to our question, what? Now the volume of metallic sphere is equal to the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so the metallic sphere volume is equal to what? Now 4 upon 3 into pi into 4.2 cube is equal to volume of a cylinder. So here the radius is 6 centimeter. So volume of the cylinder formula is what? Now pi r square. Here is r we take in small r. So here you take the average radius in capital R, because both are different shapes. So here pi r square into h. This is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder. Pi r square h. So now this implies 4 upon 3 into pi into 4.2 cube is equal to pi into here r is 6 square into h. Now both side pi cancel. So this implies h is equal to this divided by this one. So that means 4 upon 3 into 4.2 cube divided by 6 square, that is equal to 6 into 6. So here you write 4 upon 3 into 4.2. That means here we can write 4.2 cube. That means 4.2 multiplied 3 times. So 4.2 now it becomes when we remove the decimal point, then it will be what? Now 42 upon 10 into 42 upon 10 into 42 upon 10. Okay, divided by 6 into 6. That means here we write 1 upon 6 into 1 upon 6. Because when we divide, then it is multiply and the number will be reciprocal. So now here you see 6, 7. Here is also 6, 7. Then 2, 2. Here is 2, 5. 3 cancel, that is 40. So this is equal to 40 into 2 into 7 divided by 5 into 10 into 10. That is 14 into 2, 28 into 7 into 7, 49 divided by 5 into 100. So now 28 into 49, that is equal to how much? Then it will be 1372 divided by 5 into 100. Then 1372 divided by 5, that is equal to 274.4 divided by 100. So that is equal to, when it will be divided by 100, then the decimal point back in 2 places. So then it will be 2.744. That is 2.74 centimeter. Okay, so the height of this cylinder is equal to how much? Now 2.74 centimeter. I think all of you understood. Only one thing you remember always, in two shapes, means the first shape which melted and recast in another shape, then the volume of both the solid having equal volume. Okay, both the solid having equal volume, because one melted, then recast in another shape. Okay, so then you find what? Now both the volumes are equal, then one measurement or one dimension you can find easily. Okay, so now next question, that is the question number 2. See the question number 2. A metallic sphere of a radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Here question said what? Now 3 spheres are there, metallic spheres. Radius are also given. First one is having 6 cm, second one 8 cm, third one 10 cm. Then all the 3 melted and then it is recast to another solid or another sphere also. So that means here you see, this is the one sphere having radius 6 cm. This is the another sphere having the radius 8 cm, and this is the another sphere having the radius 10 cm. And all these 3 melted and it is recast into one solid, that is okay. So here question said you find out the radius of this. Is it how much? Okay, so now that means here according to our question, sum of the volumes of these three is equal to the volume of this one also. Okay, so here you write what? The radius of first sphere, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Again here see 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay. So radius of first one, here you take R1. Okay. The radius of second sphere, that is R2, is equal to 8 centimeter. And the radius of third sphere, that is R3, is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, then we know what is the formula to find the volume of the sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is the formula. Then in each case you find the volume, and according to our question all the three are melted, so that means the sum of these three, okay, is equal to the last third or fourth one, the volume of this fourth solid or a sphere. Okay, so according to our question all these three are melted to form a single small solid. So here you write according to question all three spheres are melted and recast sorry, are melted and form a single solid sphere okay. So that means what is the area of volume of the first sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube. Okay, or here first we write what? Now the sum of the volume, sum of volume of three spheres is equal to volume of a fourth sphere. Okay, so that is it. This implies what? Now 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi. You can take here r, the fourth one, radius you let be, it is capital R, that is r cube. Okay, so this implies 4 upon 3 pi in all having, so you can take common. So that is r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube. Both sides 4 upon 3 cancel, pi also cancel. So this implies r cube is equal to r1 cube, that is 6 cube, plus r2 cube, that is 8 cube, plus r3 cube, that is 10 cube. Okay, so this implies what? Now r cube is equal to 6 cube, that is 6 into 6 into 6, 6 into 6, 36 into 6, that is 216, plus 8 cube, 8, 64 into 8, that is equal to 512, plus 10 cube, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, that is 1000. 1000. So this implies r cube is equal to, when we add this, so that is equal to how much? Now 1728 centimeter cube. Then r is equal to cube root of 1728. Okay, so that is equal to 12 into 12 into 12 cube. So that is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so the radius of the fourth solid sphere, that is equal to having the radius that is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so I think all of you understood. This is also same thing. The sum of the volume of all three is equal to the volume of this single one. So then you can find the radius of the fourth solid sphere. Okay, so I think all of you understood. Then come to the next question, question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 20 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. That means here one well is digging. Okay, that means a 20 meter deep well and with diameter 7 meter is dug. Here one well is digging. That means the diameter of this well is how much? 7 meter and height, the depth of this well is 20 meter and the diameter D is equal to 7 meter. So radius is equal to how much? That is 7 upon 2 meter. Okay, the depth of the well is equal to 20 meter and the diameter is given, this is 7 meter. So if diameter is 7 meter, so radius is equal to 7 upon 2. Okay, then according to our question, when the well dug, then the digging earth from this well is spread. Here this is in the shape of a cube. A platform, this is in the shape of a cuboid having length is 22 meter and the breadth is how much? That is 14 meter. Then here question said you find the height of this. Okay, so here you see according to this question, what? Now the volume of the earth digging out this well is equal to the volume of this platform which is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay, so the first you find the volume of the earth digging out this well. So here you write the depth of a well, that is H is equal to 20 meter. Then diameter is equal to diameter of a well D is equal to 7 meter. So this implies radius is equal to 7 upon 2 meter. Okay, then the volume of the earth digging out from the well, that is equal to what is the, because the well is in which shape? That is in a cylindrical shape. Okay, so the volume of the cylinder, all of you know what is the formula? Pi r square h. So that is equal to pi into r is equal to 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into h. H is 20 meter. 20 meter cube. This is the volume. Okay. Then according to our question, what? Now this earth spread in this cuboidal platform. Okay. So here you write the earth spread in the form of a cuboidal platform. In the form of cuboidal platform. So the length of platform, that is equal to 22 meter. Sorry, yes, 22 meter. Length is 22 meter and breadth is that is equal to 40 meter. So here question said you find the height of this platform. So according to our question, what? Now volume of earth digging out is equal to volume of earth spread in platform. Okay, the volume of earth digging out the well is equal to the volume of earth spread in platform. So this implies here the volume is what? Now pi into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 20 meter cube is equal to the volume of the earth spread in platform. Platform is in the shape of a cuboid. So what is the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Meter cube. So this implies pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 20. Here length is 22, breadth is 14 into height. Now 7 cancel, 2 here 11, 2 here it is 10. This implies 11 into 7 into 10 is equal to 22 into 14 into h. So this implies, here you write, this implies height of the platform h is equal to 11 into 7 into 10. Then it will be divided with this, so that is 22 into 40. Then 7 divided 42, 11 2. So that is, this implies h is equal to 10 upon 2 into 2, that is 4. So this implies 10 upon 4, 2. Then 2 4 8, 20.5 meter. So the height of the platform is equal to 2.5 meter. The earth digging out from the well is equal to the earth in spread in this platform having length is 22 meter and the breadth is 14 meter. That platform having height is equal to 2.5 meter is the height. Okay, so I think all of you understood. In next video we proceed other questions of this exercise. Okay, you note it, and all the questions, answers or exercises are available in your PDF. You see your website also. Okay, thank you.